Welcome to Talking Football with D. We bone jwang papadi mamotla.
Braga Chiefs ya bolaya.
Ya bolaya ne.
Chiefs ya bolaya.
This year o di khama kaofela
team. Di khama kaofela Braga lo wena o bone lo so di quality. Umone mfundo vila ka zo ba.
Ko morao ke quality mo hare ke quality. Ko pele ke quality.
Ene coach wa rena o mona re tsa story sa hae because of coach tshela tsa feta ne di sa tsentse mfundo fela ka. Mara no ba gona o bona hore mfanola to play. And remember Chiefs is the only team in South Africa ya o dira cup yellow ring lo wena wa bona South Africa ke Chiefs ke government.
And motho ba wina Toyota Hilux.
Brand new Braga. Bona without Chiefs mo South Africa on football. Le Mackenzie o boletse.
Bona re batho ba thabile jwa mo.
Batho ba thabile monna ko re a monna wa tswa Chiefs monna ba nna ka
the happiness goes up, ne?
Yes, and level sold out of free. Wona sala wa bona ka sold out of free.
Ya friend la se ke ka e bona bro.
Wa bona tlhomile bona today.
Mamo tsane
big up and real boa. Mara tsonje re sign ka re ko pele. O tlo bala na go pala go kona.
Big up to Chiefs.
Yeah, Chiefs is the best team.
Yes. Butiaka?
Buruaga.
Yes, we will
Pagania one without feeling your favor.
Yes.
Sundowns Chiefs on a Moyango thing, man.
Ano Moyango.
Sundowns a mistake one now. Chiefs in our favor one now. Kilometer many million. You want to come out water? You want to come out water? You want to
No. Unfortunately, we are the custodians.
Yes.
We are the custodians.
Yes.
We are questioning.
Yes.
This is Scotland here.
Yes.
This is Scotland.
Yes.
But he knew, no, remove invited out of our coach.
Yes.
This is just a play.
Yes. Now, Kosi. We want you to papadi. Yes. Come on, impressive. 22 Adolf ne mfano la tla Tanzania
Akimushe bile ke bona telephone exchange.
Yes una le that chemistry le ka le ke gatle ke recovering wa bona dirile ka second half. Wow,
that's a player.
That's
a player that one.
Una na re kena bya misa ko Chiefs or Chiefs gona win a league.
Yeah, ntle re mo misa ko Kaizer Chiefs o win a league.
This year I win a league.
This year it's Operation Tata Zonke.
Yeah. I Kosi, big ups to you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
My guy after you. Butiaga, I saw you earlier on and you said 2-0 to Kaizer Chiefs. What happened?
But we saw. We tried.
We tried, ne?
We did.
Yes.
Did you saw Mfundo Vilakazi?
Yes, I saw him.
I told you.
Yes.
Mfundo Vilakazi.
He's a very good player.
Who was the man of the match?
Mfundo Vilakazi.
Then what?
That's the way we are.
He's the best player today.
That's who we
Not
are.
Today.
He's the best player in the PSL.
Yes.
Mufukeni Agazo is the best player. Mfundo Vilakazi is always the best. So I told you that Mfundo Vilakazi
yes
don't make miracles this season.
It's gonna happen, Butia.
It's going to happen.
Kaizer
Chiefs for life.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Did you saw?
Yes, the way he's moving the ball.
We're from the Spain, guys. We're from Spain.
But your Spain, I saw the field that you were playing at. They were dry, not green. What do you say about that?
But no, I won't comment on that.
Yes.
I won't comment on that. But I'll say this, we are from Spain.
Yes.
We didn't play soccer. Nice soccer? Yes. Nice football.
Yes.
Beautiful
football.
Usona Habona next.
I'm a person winning ways.
Come on, Billet.
Come on.
Hey!
Yes.
Can you rata ne?
Mister.
Just watch the space.
Nah.
Guys, just watch
the space. What's gonna happen, my brother?
Kosi for life will do the job.
They are back into the winning
Kosi
ways.
for life will do the job.
New beginning.
This is a new beginning.
This
is a new beginning. Just watch the space.
Tango.
Kami Wali Kosi for life.
Well done, bro.